So right now I'm going to clean this toilet here. As you can see here, we've got a ring, basically just hard water. But in order to do that, I'm going to use one of these scouring sticks. So I love this thing. I clean the toilets here mostly with it. You can clean other things with it: ceramic tile, porcelain, grills, pools, tools, tons of different uses for it. But I use it here in the toilet. So first thing I want to do is just spray some cleaner in there, because I just want to make sure that everything's nice and clean. I'm going to spray that cleaner in there, and then I'm just going to use the pumice stone. I'm going to get it wet, and then just around the edge here, I'm just going to scrub. I kind of like to go in a circular motion if I can, possibly. And then just get it as best I can here. It squeaks. It's kind of like nails on a chalkboard, but it's working. It does a good job here. And then I'm just going to continue left and right, up and down here, scrubbing to get that off here. So if you can see there, it's already coming off. And you know, these rings here can be caused a couple different ways, but I have found that these scouring sticks do a great job taking that off. So we'll just kind of flush the toilet here and see that outer ring is gone. And now I just need to clean the inside here with a towel or some tissue paper, and that will get the rest of the grime in there. But as far as kind of that caked on buildup there, that's all come off there. And now the toilet basically looks fresh and brand new again. And then I just kind of go back, scrub it with another cleaner, maybe some disinfectant if you want. I like to use tissue paper there to just kind of scrub it off, and then you can flush it again and all that stuff will go down, and then your toilet's basically looking fresh and new again. So again, that is the scouring stick, and I think it works really great, and I use these all the time.